Good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to be unboxing a Ultralink wireless keyboard and mouse, and also a set of new Sony headphones. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Always remember, safety gear is essential. The tools that we're going to be needing is number one, a handy cutter, and number two, our safety gear. So let's get cracking. Right, so let's get cracking. Safety gear is on. Here we go. Operation open up. Always time for a good joke. Alright, so let's get cracking here. So first what we're going to do is open the box here. Let's just have a look first quickly. What do we have? Wireless keyboard and mouse, multimedia accessories. So it seems like it's a full keyboard, full size keyboard, Ultralink. Let's just have a look there quickly. Reliable connection, ergonomic design keyboard, reliability, system requirements for Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista. So it seems like it can go quite a distance. Advanced 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and then the battery. Let's see quickly the features. Experience smooth, comfortable USB wireless connection with the Ultralink wireless keyboard and mouse, blah blah blah. So seems quite standard, so let's have a look. So first things first, let's take those out, and this is why we need the handy cutter to cut the sticky tapes. Right, so let's have a look. Ta-da! There it is. What a beauty. What a beauty, what a beauty. Comes in this handy, nice little protective plastic sheath. Wow, this looks quite nice. Got plastic on that name part there. Little feet that flips up, so when you put it down, it stands on the little feet. Yeah, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's see what's in here. So most probably that is where the batteries go. If I'm not wrong. Can't have it with my finger now. I will try just now. Right, so let's just have a look quickly.
Guys, please leave a comment here whether you prefer wireless or wired keyboard and mouse. Which one do you prefer? Leave a comment there down below.
Out with the fingers. So that is the battery compartment where the battery goes in, and it seems like it takes one battery. AAA, size AAA battery. Okay, put the battery in just now. Feet down. Yeah, it's quite a soft touch on the fingers. Easy pressing on the keyboard. That's cool. Right, so let's have a look at the mouse. Also in its protective little sheath, plastic sheath. It's got a little roller wheel here, and a right click and a left click. Also ultrasonic. And yeah, this side also for the battery compartment, and that one also takes, seems like two batteries just for the mouse. So in here we've got the little USB stick that speaks to the, or communicates to the mouse. Always nice tucked in, and that's the on and off switch this side, and that seems quite nice, quite nifty. It's just, yeah, the roller is easy, and the mouse looks quite nice. Well, that's cool. So we got our mouse and we got our keyboard. That seems quite nice. Right, so what we got next is the headset, the Sony. What we've got is the Sony MDR ZX110. So I opted for not going for wireless because
And here again,
I didn't want to go
comment
wireless
below.
on
What do you
this one.
prefer? Headset,
I need-
wireless, or wired?
I don't want to
Which one do you
recharge
prefer?
every time, so I decided to use this normal one. So let's have a look. Opening it up, like always, like a surprise. And we got our wires. Come on, and there we go. And that box is empty now. So let's see. Right, stereo headphones, operating instructions. Unfortunately, I cannot read that language, so we'll just chuck that. Okay, so let's have a look. We take it out of this little protective sheath that it's got, which is quite nice and nifty. And we got our headset. Alright, so the nice thing about this is that it actually flips open. And that's it. That's it. Nice and soft protection on the ears. Quite soft. I'm sure that's not going to hurt your ears. Left and right, and it flexes. And then also extension for those of us with big heads. And that's it, guys. So the wire cable down to its little plug, and we'll try it out now. Guys, thank you very much. You must have a wonderful day, and enjoy. Bye bye.